Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, let's make DIY paper oranges or mandarins. During Chinese New Year, people gift oranges as a symbol of good luck, wealth, and prosperity. This DIY can be made quickly and easily with orange and green craft papers that you already have at home. First, cut out 8 orange circles like so. Fold the papers, draw a circle, and cut along the outline. You may have already noticed that during Chinese New Year, oranges are being exchanged as gifts or displayed at home. This is how it looks like. Second, fold along the middle of the circle like so. Third, glue them together piece by piece along the edge. The words orange and gold sound similar in Chinese. That's how orange is a symbol of wealth and prosperity. When oranges are exchanged as gifts, it's a way to share prosperity. Third, lay a heavy object over the glued semicircle shaped paper to hold them in place. Now, go ahead and make the leaf and stem using green craft papers. Cut out the shape of the leaf like so. To make the stem, roll the green paper widthwise and glue the ends. Insert the leaf you just made into the stem. Lastly, take the semicircled orange papers, open them up and insert the stem in the middle like so. Feel free to use more glue as needed. Adjust them. Voila! Here is your quick and easy DIY paper oranges or DIY paper mandarins. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to check out my DIY Chinese New Year crafts tutorials. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Be sure to check out my 5 easy CNY DIYs under $5 tutorial.